Hello, my homeowner friends in the greater Houston market. If you are like me, you probably received your 2024 notice of value and you're probably pissed off because your values continue to rise. Your tax amount continues to go up. Your mortgage continues to rise because of your taxes. The good news is there is a way to fight your taxes. A lot of people have never done it and don't know what to do. And I'm here to be that professional resource for you. On your notice of value, you're going to see two values. One is going to be market value and one is going to be appraised value. The difference between those two numbers is the market value is what the taxing authority is saying that your actual market value is on the market. And that's the number that we fight, okay? We can use comps and we can try to get that number lowered with comps. And also there's some other things that we can do, which we can talk about when we meet in person. But the appraised value that you see on your notice of protest is actually what you're being taxed on. So there's a difference between your market value and your appraised value. Market value is the one that we're going to fight, and the appraised value is what you're actually being taxed on. Basically, there's several things that you can do. You want to have that review with an actual board. What's going to happen is you're going to have to file a notice of protest, and that's normally due by the 15th of May. So if you haven't filed that notice of protest yet, then definitely need to get that on file so that you can not miss the deadline. But they're going to come to you with a settlement agreement and they're going to say, hey, we agree to settle at this number, right? You're going to decline that and request an in-person formal meeting, okay? That formal in-person meeting is going to be in front of a board. So we have a better shot, the appraiser will also be there, but we have a better shot of getting them to lower that value if we can meet with them in person and you have a professional that can help you establish, an actual value and show them the proof of why your market value should be lower than what it is. Now, I can't always help establish a lower market value. My promise to you is not to get your tax value down. My promise to you is that I will look at your situation and see if I can possibly help you. And if I can, then I'm happy to do that. I have had success in the past, and there have been some instances where the board was just like, no, I'm sorry, we can't lower it. But if you have an opportunity and there may be a way that we can get it down, let's do it, because you want to continue to fight those taxes every single year. I do not charge any of my clients for this, and if you're not been my client in the past, that's okay too. You don't have to be a client of mine. I offer this as a free service to homeowners and landowners. If I can help you, I will. I just ask in return that you remember me for your referrals, and if and when you need to do a real estate transaction, that you keep me in mind, because this is my livelihood and I love working with you and I love helping you. So I'm here to be that resource for you, to be that professional, provide that value to you at no charge. So if that's something that you need, reach out to me and I'm happy to help.